Hello guys, welcome to Malcolm the Dr. PC. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to save your PowerPoint work into a high resolution image. By default when you save your work it is not saved as a high resolution image. So you have to actually force PowerPoint to save a high resolution image, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. So stay with me in this video. First of all, I have to tell you that this video is divided into two parts. The first part I'll show you how the PowerPoint saves your work by default and what's the picture size of the by default saved image. So if for instance I'm working on this file and I want to save it into the picture, then I'll go into the file, I'll hit save as, I'll rename it as a pic1 and save it as a picture format which is JPEG, and I'll save it onto the desktop. Save and do it for the front slide only. Alright, so this is what I've done. I've saved this work of my PPT into image which is pic1 here. So if you want to see what's the picture size, then you can hit the properties and you can see the picture size is just 32 kbs, and if you go into the details then you will see that the resolution is 960 into 720 pixels or 96 dpi, which is dots per inch, and this resolution is not enough for the bigger pictures. If you open it in the bigger picture, your quality will drop and your picture will distort. Okay, now moving on to the second part of the video. Now I will show you the trick how to save your work as a high resolution image. So what you will do is that you will go into your search bar and you will type registry editor, run it as an administrator, and once you have done that you will come up with screen something like this. And now here you want to go into the H key current user, then you want to go into the software, then we'll go into the Microsoft, search for the office here. Yeah, here is the office. Go into the office, go into the 14.0. 14.0 is the version of the PowerPoint that I'm using. So PowerPoint, go into the PowerPoint here, and then lastly find the options, select the options, and then you will come up with a screen like this. And once you are here, what I need you to do is that right click, go into the default 32-bit value. And also one thing guys, that you don't need to remember all of this path because I have mentioned it in the bottom of the video. So here once you have created a new default value 32-bit file, I want you to rename it as bitmap export bitmap resolution. Guys, you need to be very cautious with the spelling here. You can see that the first word of the export bitmap and resolution in the capital, and you need to exactly follow them. And once you have created this export bitmap resolution, you need to modify it. You need to change the value from 0 to 300 and change from the hexadecimal to decimal. This value of the 300 will basically increase the DPIs or the resolution of your image. You click OK and we are all set to go. You can go back now to your PowerPoint work to again save it as a picture and see if the quality of the work has been improved or not. So I will go into the file again. I will save it as a picture again. Now I will rename it as pic2 so that I can differentiate between the first one and the second picture of mine. I'll save it in the desktop as well, and don't forget to change the picture format which is in my case which will be JPEG. Save, current slide only, and once you have done that, this is the picture too that you saved. Now I'm dragging it to this other picture. I've placed these both pictures side by side so that I can make a comparison between the picture sizes. So once picture 2 has been created, I will see the properties. What are the properties? In this picture size, you can see that it's 176 kb, which has been improved. The first one was 30 kbs only. You can see the first picture was just 32 kbs, and the second picture that has been saved is 176 kbs. And if you go into the details, The first one was 916 to 720 pixels, and the second one is 3000 into 2250 pixels in 300 dpi, which is a huge improvement. And now this picture of yours will not distort if you will open it into the bigger picture. So alright guys, this is all about the today's tutorial. If you have liked this video, if it has helped you, then please don't forget to give us a like and please subscribe us. Thank you.